Welcome to our channel. If you work from home and want to claim the home office deduction correctly, follow these step-by-step instructions to avoid IRS scrutiny while maximizing your benefit. Step 1. Ensure you qualify. Your home office must be used regularly and exclusively for business as your principal place of business or where you meet clients. Step 2. Measure your office space accurately. Calculate the square footage of your dedicated office area and your entire home. Step 3. Choose between the simplified method and actual expense method. The simplified method allows $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet maximum. Step 4. For the actual expense method, calculate your business use percentage by dividing office square footage by total home square footage. Step 5. Gather all home-related expenses including mortgage interest or rent, utilities, insurance, repairs, maintenance, and depreciation. Step 6. Multiply your total home expenses by your business use percentage to determine your deduction amount. Step 7. Complete Form 8829 for the actual expense method, or include the simplified deduction directly on Schedule C. Step 8. Keep detailed records including photos of your office space, utility bills, mortgage statements, and repair receipts. Document that your space is used exclusively for business. Remember that employees working from home generally cannot claim this deduction under current tax law unless self-employed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.